Hello, fellow traders, and welcome to this exciting video guide for the Bitget KCGI 2023 Futures Copy Trading Competition. If you're ready to dive into the world of copy trading and potentially win a share of the $25,000 USDT prize pool, which can grow up to $80,000 USDT, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. To participate in the Bitget KCGI 2023 Futures Copy Trading Competition, you need to meet a few requirements. The competition starts on September 15th and ends on September 30th, 2023. Here's how you can get involved. Sign up for a Bitget account or log in if you already have one. Visit the KCGI Futures Copy Trading page or select Copy Trading under the KCGI landing page. Create your team or join existing team. Each team must have a minimum of 10 members, including the captain, to join the Futures Copy Trading competition. Teams with fewer than 10 members on September 15, 2023, will be disbanded. Sub-accounts are not eligible for participation. Profit from sub-accounts won't be counted. It's essential to note that market makers accounts and accounts with API trading history are not eligible. Any API trading orders during the event will result in disqualification. Now, let's talk about the rewards and how they'll be distributed. The top 10 teams with the highest total profit will share the prize pool. Profits from trading USDT margin futures count toward your total profit. The prize pool for the futures copy trading competition can grow significantly based on the number of participants. Valid participants are certified elite traders or traders who achieved at least 1,000 USDT in futures copy trading volume and fulfilled at least 2 copy trading orders in one team. The top 3 teams with the highest total profit will receive 30%, 20%, and 10% of the prize pool, respectively. Team captains will also receive a share of the winnings, 30% to be precise. The rest will go to team members based on their recorded futures copy trading profit. Before you start trading, please be aware of the terms and conditions. Participate in the tournament and take advantage of our lucky draw event to win prizes like Messi jerseys, sneakers, and cryptocurrency by performing prescribed tasks. The Bitget KCGI 2023 Futures Copy Trading Competition is a comprehensive guide for traders, offering smart trading strategies and rewards, starting on September 15th. Good luck.